Going to add about, I don't know, quarter cup of vegetable oil to my pan. About to make some chicken and rice. Let that get warm. Takes about a minute or so. Now that the oil is warm, I'm going to add 2 cups of rice. I'm going to toast the rice up. My rice has been toasting for about 2 minutes now on medium-high heat. Actually, it's more medium-low heat. Toasting it helps break up the grains, keeps the grains from sticking. Next, I'm about to add my seasonings. I used paprika, everything at the beginning of the video. Granulated onion, garlic powder, paprika, cayenne, dry cilantro. I'm just gonna add this all to the rice. Give it a quick stir. Cumin, there's cumin in there. Everything that's at the beginning of the video, you slow it down. I'd say there's probably 2 of each ingredient, 2 teaspoons of each ingredient in this mixture. I get a lot of compliments about the taste of my rice. It's got wonderful flavor to it. I'm not one who usually measures. I like to just go by taste. I got this all nice and mixed up. Now I'm about to add 2 cups Raiders of water to the pan. Actually 2.5 Raider cups. Bring this to a slow boil. Give it a quick stir real quick. Get all that seasoning mixed up. Like I said, tonight I'm making chicken and rice. Give it a quick taste. I like to taste it right here before just the broth. At this point, I'll decide if I need to add more seasonings in. In this case, I am, because I forgot I'm adding chicken. I'll just bring this to a boil and then add my chicken. Now that my rice is boiling, I'm going to add the chicken, rotisserie chicken. Give it one quick stir. I'll let it boil for about a minute and then put a lid on. The chicken and rice has been boiling for about a minute now. I'm going to turn off the heat, place a lid on, and let the rice and chicken stand for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then dinner served. It's been about 20 minutes. About to remove the lid and see what how it looks. There you go. My version of chicken and rice. Chicken and rice.